Hello and welcome back to Community Roundup, sponsored by Brad's Furniture and Appliances. I'm Jordan Prentice from Energeticcity.ca, and today I am joined by Faye Anstey. Yeah, I got it right. She's an evaluator for the St. John Ambulance Therapy Dogs program.
Yes, and I have Hank with us, and Hank is one of our SJA dogs here in town. His mom is at work, but I stole him so that we could have a puppy on the interview.
He is just so cute. So Faye, you were holding evaluations yesterday and Tuesday.
Yeah.
With some local dogs who were interested in becoming therapy dogs. And for people who maybe don't know, can you just quickly tell me, what is the role of a therapy dog?
So our therapy dogs bring a moment of joy to the community. We can all, I think, agree. He wants to say something. We can all agree that dogs definitely bring joy to people. They help calm us down. Anybody that's lonely, that sort of thing. So our dogs are not meant to be able to get you into special places that normal dogs can't. So that's not what the certification's about. It's about volunteering with your dog and creating connection with the community, at the hospital, at care homes, libraries, anywhere where somebody just needs a little pick-me-up. The radio station, maybe.
I mean, I'm not going to say no to that, right? Hank is so cute. Thanks for joining us, Hank. So I did have the opportunity to head over there on Tuesday. Lots of really sweet dogs were there. Definitely was enjoying my job that day for sure. So I noticed one thing that you said in your orientation was you don't pass and you don't fail, right?
Right. So I don't like to say that you pass and you fail. What we do is we congratulate some people into the program and we ask some others to work on a few handling things, maybe socialization skills with their dogs, to ensure that they are set up for success when they come back and they try again to get the scarf. Yeah.
Okay, and what kind of qualifications do you look for?
So for the handlers, we need somebody who can volunteer an hour a week, so that has the time to actually participate is a big one. They also need to have a criminal record check because we work with a vulnerable population. And for the puppies, they need to not be on a raw food diet, a minimum of a year old. They have to be in your home for at least 6 months. All of their vaccinations and that sort of thing have to be up to date. And just a well-groomed puppy.
Okay, that sounds fair. I remember you saying that as well the other night. And that being said, can you tell me a little bit about the graduating
class? So many adorable puppies. We have now 11 new dogs in the Peace region, so between Dawson and Fort St. John, which is amazing. And we have all sorts of dogs, 2 German short-haired pointers. We have a retriever, a hound mix. We've got a couple teeny tiny ones. They just come in all shapes and sizes. The Bernese yesterday, it was a dog named Sue, and he was adorable and just right for the job. Just wanted to be loved and smiling and very good awareness of his owner, that sort of thing. So that's what we're looking for, is people that that have good training, good control over the dog, that in a stressful situation, the dog looks to them for what to do instead of reacting in a negative way.
Yeah. Of course. And I mean, it sounds like you have a pretty fun job.
Yeah, it is fun. It's a volunteer job, but I think if I was volunteering with anything other than puppies, I wouldn't have been doing it for 9 years. But it is wonderful because I get to volunteer with the puppies, and the program is just amazing. When you go into a care home, say, and one of the workers says, okay, well, she hasn't smiled or said anything in a long time, and you bring your dog over and somebody's face lights up that normally just doesn't react to anything, it melts your heart. So it's a really, really special thing to do for your community.
Okay, great. And just 2 more quick ones for you here, Faye. I'm just wondering, when will the therapy dog program evaluations come back to Fort St. John?
When there's a need for it. So right now we're getting back into it. After COVID, there was obviously we weren't volunteering, and now we're just getting back in, and we'll get all of the new evaluatees, the new handlers, into their positions, get them comfortable, and if there's more need for it in the community, then we'll try to come up twice a year.
And if somebody, a dog owner, local dog owner, wants to apply to become to volunteer in the therapy dog program, how do they go about doing that?
If you head over to our website, it's the easiest thing. The email is long. It's just sja.ca, and then you can look at our therapy dog program. All of the qualifications are on there for both you and your dog, and you can just hit become a volunteer, and they will send us an email.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much, Faye.
You're so welcome. Thank you for having us.
Of course. And thank you, Hank. I am Jordan Prentice from Energeticcity.ca, and today I've been joined by Faye Anstey. She is an evaluator for the St. John Ambulance Therapy Dogs program. You have been watching Community Roundup, brought to you by Brad's Furniture and Appliances, and we will see you next time.